Here I have HUAWEI P30 and let me show you how to wipe cache partition on the following device. So at first you have to switch off your phone, so just tap on power key and hold it for about 3 seconds. Then select power off and touch the power off. And once it's off, just tap on power key and volume up key all together and hold them until you see the secret menu. So it will be about 30 seconds, I guess. Just keep holding them all together. And that's it. Now we are on secret menu, and here you can navigate by using volume up and volume down keys, and then you can select the option by tapping on power key. So in order to wipe cache partition, you just have to select this option. So just tap on volume down key to select this option, and then tap on power key to select this one, this particular one. Now give your device a few seconds, and as you can see, it has been done. So all cache partition has been wiped. And now if you would like to go back to standard mode, just select Reboot System Now. So just tap on volume up key, select Reboot System Now, and then tap on power key to select this option. Give your device a few seconds, it will turn off and then turn on in the standard mode, so you can use your device as usually. And that's it. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.